Hello, friends. I'm Abhimanyu, and welcome to another episode of Pharmacist and Drugs. So today I'm going to explain how this Remdesivir, a new investigational new drug, has been acting against coronavirus. Well, friends, a lot of hype has been whipped out about the coronavirus, and a lot of people are talking about which drug will act against coronavirus. Like people are more concerned, because there are no in-depth or even like there is no clarity about which drug is exactly acting. Like some are talking about hydroxychloroquine, or even some are talking about this new drug remdesivir. Well, in my previous video, I already explained this how this coronavirus is replicating. So basically, it follows an endosomal pathway, and then it goes like a step by step. Like first, it interacts with the cell surface through that clathrin coated in inward bulging, and then it goes to that endosome, and then late endosome, and then finally it goes to like early lysosome and to the late lysosome. And as I said previously, that it can even fuse at the step of early endosome, or that is like initial fusion may take place, or even at the late fusion may also take place, in the step of that final lysosome. So uh, before understanding this how this RNA this how this remdesivir is working against coronavirus, we have to understand how this replication is taking place. Well, I have collected one paper which is recently published. Here you can see that this paper has been published recently. About It is published in JBC, Journal of Biochemistry. It's one of the good journal, reputed journal, and they have shown the anti they have shown how the antiviral compound remdesivir potentially inhibits RNA-dependent RNA polymerase from Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus. So they have even shown this was published on here we can see when it was published. So this was published on 24th February 2020. So very recently it has been published. So what they have found is this uh, remdesivir basically uh, stops or inhibits the RNA dependent RNA polymerase. So so my point is they have. Well, my point is for the replication to take place, for the replication of coronavirus, that the RNA polymerase enzyme, the RNA-dependent RNA polymerase enzyme, which is also called RNA replicase, it is required because RNA is a single standard sequence, and for the replication to take place, this enzyme basically first binds, and then in present it catalyzes the replication of this RNA sequence. So this particular drug stops or inhibits this RNA dependent RNA polymerase, and then it stops the replication, and then the coronavirus cannot replicate further. So this drug has already been approved. This drug was basically even found to be active against SARS, other coronavirus, and even for this Mars outbreak. So the bottom line is, it basically stops or inhibits the replication of coronavirus by acting against this RNA dependent RNA polymerase. So I hope you like my video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like my content. Thank you.